Hi folks, this is the process for filling out the new COVID testing opt-in form for guardians. Simply log into the family portal, click on the initiate button, select the COVID in-school testing opt-in workflow, select the students in your student list, click next. Go ahead and read through the opt-in request form, answer the question of would you like your student to participate in the COVID form, type in your name, so I'm going to type in test just as a test here, and the day the form is completed. You can use the calendar to select that, click next, and then finish to actually finish the form. And that's the process. If you have any questions, you can call your school, speak to a secretary, and they will fill out a help desk ticket for you.